I hear quite a few guys coming in from the US now, it's clear. So you, I think, dominate a lot. But anyway, I won't hold you.
Hello and welcome to EmComm Solutions. Quick kind of on the road video. I'm traveling around Europe right now doing some things work related, and then I'll be getting back to Albania real quick and then hitting the road and doing some fun things, vacation type things. But I wanted to get a video out this week, and I just recently received this Wisblock, this Meshtastic RAK, the 19007 water resistant case, or the 800 OG, that's printed by Quantum Shadow 3D, licensed with Rokland to produce these cases. So this is their water resistant case. I will be doing some future testing on that to see kind of how well it is water resistant. I would say probably your initial weak point is going to be up here at the battery, just because, you know, water coming this way. But what do you get with this order first? They're $36.97 here, mid-August 2024. There's still 14 available. I am a part of their affiliate program, so if you do use the affiliate link down below, I get a few pennies that help me do things here on EmComm Solutions to support this channel, and it'll be appreciated. Thank you. You get this very nice kind of OD green-ish printed case. That's the only color they offer. Or probably this time, maybe in the future, they'll offer more. It comes with an SMA connector installed in the pigtail. We'll show you that here in a second for the IPEX, which is what you need to connect to your Wisblock. The little loop here on the top, which is a nice way to be able to attach it to, your person in some way, a backpack or some sort of kit. You have the threaded cap here on the end with the seal, I think is what they call it, but it seems like it seems pretty hard material. I don't know. I kind of feel like you definitely could put something different there that would help seal it a little more, but we'll look into that in the future, right? Has this little faceplate down here, nice logo on it, the M-powered logo. For this plate, there's going to be 2 screws that are in a separate bag for installing down here, and I think a button for the reset button. So that's going to go in there, and then you're going to screw that all together. Well, this center, as you can see there's the IPEX connector, and you can see down inside there where the screws attach to the main body. And then the frame is pretty simple. It only has 2 attachment points for your Wisblock, and your Wisblock comes with hardware, so you should be able to attach it there, and then you have access to the LED lights, the reset, and the USB-C port for charging, or flashing. And then if you have one of these kits, the Wisblock kit, that RAK also sells, right? These, just last little note, this is I bought it from Rokland, but I've heard people here in Europe where I'm at are like, yeah, I wish I could get. All you got to do is go in and make sure you obviously have an 868 megahertz antenna connected, which it says right here on Rokland's website. You just select the country. They have the crystals in them. They can switch frequencies. So these are the same. Now, I know when you go on there, a lot of times, like I have the website up right now, obviously. It says somewhere, maybe it said on the package, the 915 megahertz. Oh, it's on this one, I believe, for Rokland, or for Wisblock, but I did order it through Rokland. So just a note there, I'd like to put that out. If you found what we do here interesting, you're into Meshtastic, mesh radios, other emergency communication solutions, this is the channel for you. We're continuing to grow, we're new, but we're pushing ahead to create better and better content. Your support would be greatly appreciated by subscribing to the channel, liking. Got questions, comments, put them down below. Check out our social media links, our website link. All that will be down below in the section for your use. Thanks for watching.